Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is where app timers live. Once the dashboard loads, tap the usage chart or the dashboard entry to list apps with limits. Make sure you are on the primary device account because guest or secondary profiles often hide timer controls. If you already have a screen lock or parental control set, unlock those prompts now so you can edit timers. Proceed when you see the app list and timer icons next to each app name. Now find the specific app in the dashboard list. You can scroll or use the search field for faster access. Tap the app entry or the small hourglass/timer icon to open its timer details. That reveals the daily limit and reset schedule. From here, select No Timer or adjust the limit down to 0 to effectively delete the time restriction. Make sure to confirm any pop-up that asks to save changes. Otherwise, the old limit will remain in effect when the screen refreshes. Finally, confirm the change by returning to the dashboard and ensuring the timer icon is gone next to the app. This proves the limit was removed. If the app still shows a timer, restart the phone to force settings to refresh and check again. If problems persist, inspect Family Link or Parental Control profiles because those can reapply limits from the cloud. Remove or edit limits there. If none of that works, sign out and back into the device owner account and repeat the edit to guarantee the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.